Namaskaram everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I know I'm feeling very tired today. I think the riding in the rain, that's why a little bit tired. But so have to do my Shakti Chalana Kriya. It's been a while since I did. But main thing I want to say is, Upayoga. So since I use my laptop and to edit videos, I think I slowly developed this pain over here. And I was like, I'm doing so much Hatha Yoga. Why is it not going? And then I thought, then I saw this podcast in where one physiotherapist was showing simple neck exercises, and I was like, this is very similar to Upayoga. So I just started doing Upayoga, and within a few days, the pain vanished. So if you're someone who is traveling, if you face neck pain and all, definitely in the do the neck practices in the Sadhguru app. It's available for free, so you can just do that, and most probably your pain will vanish very fast. You might think it's very simple exercise, but they have a huge power. So I would highly suggest that you restart Upayoga, guys. So even while I am traveling, I'm not able to do much Hatha Yoga, but I do my Upayoga nowadays. So yeah, let's do sadhana. So I forgot to tell you guys, the place where I'm staying is actually run by Isha Meditator. I didn't not even know that, but it's a very nice place. If you guys are coming, you guys can definitely stay. This also I'll put in the description. And good morning to my daily vlog. Namaskaram. So we have complimentary breakfast, which I didn't know. So we just have an aloo parota, small, and a tea. I'm having it live so that I can try other food also. So I'll rent a scooter from here and then go. Okay, the first scooter place didn't give me scooter because I said I want to go to Sanchi Stupa and Bhimbetka caves. So then you have to take bike. So if you're planning like that, just tell them when you come to rent scooter, or you just tell them you are planning to ride within the city, as they will tell, take scooter, take this. I don't know why that is like that. In Goa they don't ask anything to take wherever you ride, that is your wish. But here there are some unnecessary rules like that. I don't know why that is. So I'm going to another place because anyway I told now I can't lie to them. So here I'll just tell I am riding here within the city only. I want scooter because it's hard to carry my stuff, my vlogging equipment, and more than that I need to carry my raincoat also. So this is another nice place. I think it was just meant to be taken from here. Okay guys, so I got my bike rent from here, or bike on rent. It's just nearby the other place. I got a Jupiter. Since it has mirrors for me, driving safely is very important. So this is the bike. Okay guys, I've been properly scammed by the petrol pump guys. I will go back and anyway register complaint. So what happened is I was in reserve when they gave me the scooter, and I filled for 200 rupees, and after traveling 17 kilometers it is showing again reserve. So this bike has mileage of up 50 to 62 kilometers. That's what Google says. So anyway 40 you will get. So within 17 kilometers if it comes reserve, that means I've been scammed. So what happened is, when I reached the pump only, they started asking me a lot of things, that UPI is not there, shall I fill till 230 rupees, and I was not able to look at the, usually when you go to petrol pumps they ask you to check whether it's zero. I was not able to check that, and I told I need only 200 rupees, and then suddenly the lady's like, oh, I filled till 230, and I think they just filled petrol for 30 rupees or something. So anyway I'll go back. I don't think they will it was my mistake, partly mostly my mistake. I had to check it, but anyway I'll go to the manager and report. But now anyway I'll have to go and fill petrol again. Such a big scam. So be careful, check the pump that it is zero. It is very essential. So we have reached the entrance of Bhimbetka caves, and for scooter it's 50 rupees and for car 100 rupees. So you take a ticket from here and then you go inside. The scam is still bothering me. I'm not able to be in the moment, but it's okay. And let's enjoy this place. Such a nice spot, guys. 2 more kilometers to go from the welcome point.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am will go Amrita, ma'am will go office.
Okay, so we are here and you guys can park here. There's a lot of parking. There's a washroom and even drinking water. And after that, you can enter through here. So we'll just see the place a little bit. And
ये पूरा इन्होंने उसी समय से तजर किया हुआ उसी समय से सर ये एक्चुअली क्या है सही तरीके से ये 2003 के बाद में पब्लिक के बीच में आया है खोज 1957 में होता है 1970 तो मैम सर देखो जितने भी हमने पॉइंट देखे और जो आगे मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ नंबर ऑफ फिगर की बात करें तो मैक्सिमम वाइल्ड एनिमल के पिक्चर्स इसके अंदर है 252 लुक एट द टॉप मैमथ के समान लॉन्ग टस्क एलिफेंट 28,000 BC 30,000 साल पुराना है मैमथ है मैमथ के ऊपर हंटर बैठा है स्टोन टूल्स लेके शिकार करने को जा रहा है उसके पैरेलल में स्पॉटेड डियर द पार्ट ऑफ डियर चीतल लेपर्ड एलिफेंट बफेलो डियर 12 सिंगर फिर उसके बाद आते आते मिडिल में मेसोलिथिक पीरियड में अर्ली पीपल पैट एनिमल यहाँ फार्मिंग स्टार्ट होने लगा राइट वन में एक हंटर एक टूल्स लेके शिकार करने को जा रहा है उसी समय कुछ नेचुरल फॉर्मेशन बिल्ड हुआ सो दिस लुक्स लाइक टोटल रॉक राइट इन साइड फेस बैक साइड टेल इसका आप फोटो निकालने बस आगे न जाएगा स्लिपरी
उधर उधर फेस है
उधर फेस है मैडम ये
है ना थोड़ा सा जो इधर आ रहा है
जी जी पिक्चर्स दिस इज अ वेस्ट टेम्पल ऑफ गॉड आर्ट इन मध्य प्रदेश और एनसीईआरटी बुक में भी पब्लिश है राइट इन साइड में पीकॉक है लाइक ए स्नैक हुड सेज नावन की तरह इसकी बनावट है इन साइड में रेड कलर में काफी बड़े साइज के एनिमल का पिक्चर्स है 1 by 1 मीटर का बिगेस्ट वाइल्ड एनिमल है 6,900 BC ओल्ड है एनिमल की बॉडी को आइडेंटिफाई करूं साहब ब्यूटीफुल हॉर्न बिग साइड बॉडी बैक साइड टेल एनिमल बॉडी लुक्स लाइक ए बाइसन करोड़ बिफोर आपने हमने नहीं देखा बट प्रमाण मिलता है साहब ऐसे ही वाइल्ड बोर के समान ह्यूज एनिमल रहे होंगे जो अब नष्ट हो चुके हैं इसको हरिभाऊ वाकनकर जी ने कंपेयर करा इनकारनेशन ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु थर्ड इनकारनेशन बराह अवतार तो इसलिए इसका नाम है साहब बड़ा सेलसरे बोर रॉक लेकिन हिस्ट्री में जब तक हम किसी बुड्ढा टाइप म्यूजिशियन है बीच के जेंट्स लोग ग्रुप में डांस कर रहे हैं जैसे नॉर्थ ईस्ट आसाम में बिहू डांस वन फीमेल एंड मेल कपल डांस कंप्लीट पॉइंट है सेलिब्रेशन पॉइंट मेरा नाम है रवि कुमार यादव रजिस्टर्ड गाइड इन भीमबेटका सो वेलकम टू भीमबेटका ऑल ऑफ यू भीमबेटका इज प्रीहिस्टोरिक साइट्स अर्ली ह्यूमन साइट्स भीमबेटका की खोज 1957 में डॉक्टर विष्णु श्रीधर वाकनकर निक नेम हरिभाऊ वाकनकर जी के द्वारा किया गया था भीमबेटका एक्चुअली जंगल का पार्ट है द पार्ट ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी कोर एरिया डिवाइड इन 6 पार्ट्स विनायका हिल्स बोंडावली हिल्स लाखाज्वार ईस्ट एंड बेस्ट मुनि बाबा की पहाड़ी और भीमबेटका इन सबको देखने के लिए जंगल टूर करना होता है जो मुख्य रूप से 15 अक्टूबर से लेकर 15 जून तक अवेलेबल है तो यदि आप लोग करने का इच्छुक हों तो बिल्कुल हम लोग आपके लिए सेवा देने के लिए तत्पर हैं मेरा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है 7898356856
okay, so definitely take the guide because there was this time when I never used to take guides when I went to Rajasthan and I didn't understand anything. But next time when I went with my mom, I had taken a guide and that was really helpful. So whenever you visit such places, if you go here, you won't be able to see the paintings. If you go on, you'll just take pictures of rocks and go back. So it is best that you take a guide. It is not that costly also. Like if you take it alone, it's like 600 rupees. But if you share it with someone, you can share it 300. So I would suggest that because it's very highly enlightening to know about, the drawings, and he exactly shows each of these places. So I would also suggest you guys do that. If you want, you can see otherwise also, but this is the preferred method. Now there's a temple nearby. We will go check that out and then go back. Okay, so right on top of Bhimbetka caves there's a mandir, Vaishnodev Mandir. So I would highly suggest you come and visit that also. So I took the darshan of the temple. So inside belt documents are not allowed. So it is better you leave it in your scooter or car. So I had to come back and leave it. So now I'll go back. Hey, so I've reached the petrol pump, guys. So this is a company-owned, okay, company-owned petrol pump. So I will talk to the manager over here. But if that doesn't work, I'll at least talk with Archana. I think also she will also be able to directly contact. It's not that I want the money back or want to create a hassle, but at least I feel cheated. So let me take a video of this. Okay, this is the retail outlet, PP Bhopal. Okay guys, so they didn't help me at all. According to their things, it's all correct only. So anyway, let me try to at least file a complaint and see if it works. It's not gonna work most probably because most of the error was from my side. But I feel I've been cheated and they're not even trying to listen to me. So lesson from the scam is next time you fill petrol, make sure you look at the zero. See, I don't know, to be very honest, I don't know whether they did a scam, but it's kind of like 99% sure for me because see, 200 rupees I filled and easily I should be able to travel 60 kilometers minimum before the result should come. Easily. But I was able to travel like 15-20 kilometers and the reserve came, and there must be a scam. So I told the in charge, you just my mistake, it's my side. He also checked everything. I won't say he didn't check, he checked, but he said there's nothing he could. So I said it's okay, you don't do anything, but at least you call them because I would like to see those two people who, and at least ask them from their face whether they did or not, and at least you should. But he was like, no, nothing doing. I asked him even for his name, the in charge name, but he was not even willing to give that. So yeah, so that's it. So the moral of the story, you be careful when you fill. Make sure you take your time, unlike me. This is a lesson for me also, to not be in a hurry, because I was also a bit in a hurry. So yeah, that is it. So now I will, there's a Ram temple over here, Ram Mandir, and there's a very special chart that you get over. So I'll go to both these places. Yeah, that's the plan. Okay, back in my room. I'll take rest for some time. I'll do my shunya, and then I will go the Ram temple, then this thing, and Sanchi Stupa also is a plan. I don't know how much far it is, but hopefully I'll be able to go. Okay, so the thing is, in order to go to Sanchi Stupa, I will have to ride a lot and come back and then return the scooter, so it might get a bit hectic. So only if Sambhavanna comes, I'll go there with the scooter, else I don't know, it's not picking up, so I most probably roam around here, return the scooty, and yeah, and maybe there's an evening Aarti at Ram temple. I will watch that. So that's the plan right now, and explore some food. So finally Sambhavanna is here and we are talking about how we got scammed. Anna also got scammed. So is this petrol pump scam happens in Bhopal a little bit often?
Yes, it is very often and it is very common.
It is very common.
Yes.
So what I would say is, it is very easy to come out of it if you are just a little bit aware. We just need to check the zero first. If I had just checked that, I would not have been scammed. I didn't check it. So the ideal thing is, don't be in a hurry. They'll try to hurry you up. When they're doing a scam, the idea is to hurry you up and distract you. So you need to be super alert, guys. I was not. I didn't do my sadhana. What are we going to try, Anna?
We will try kachori chaat here in the old city of Bhopal. So
we'll let Sharma chaat con. Chalo, Anna. Right now we'll try chole tikki. And a lot of ingredients seem to be going in it. Chalo Anna, taste it. कैसा है अन्ना शर्मा चाट कॉर्नर का चाट?
अच्छा है.
अच्छा है.
हाँ, अच्छा है.
Is it too spicy?
No, not too spicy. It's medium spicy and tastes good.
सही है. So this is dish called Anna? What is this dish called?
Hush. 2 seconds. Hush. Khasta.
हाँ खस्ता.
So this is khasta, and
Okay, I'll also try. It's a different taste. It is spicy and
sweet at the same time.
it's like many
Try this one. This is spicy and sweet.
very nice. Of course, we're gonna end it with Golgappe. Have it, Anna. How is it?
Nice.
So nice thing. My favorite shop is Tasty Biryani. Okay, guys, they have some malai on top of this. Anna, taste it. Have you tasted this?
No, this is first time. Though I am from Bhopal.
Was it hot?
This is nice. Something
It's a different taste. Okay, guys, I'll also taste it. Wow, it's very nice. It's actually quite good. Cheers. Guys, we are on the way to temple, but Jagannath Rath is coming, so we decided to stop and go check it out. Shall we cross?
Should we also go?
Huh?
Let's go.
You go pull.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna.
Anna, stay with me, else we'll get lost.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
देखिए गाड़ी आगे डाल दीजिए.
साइड रखते दूर. पीछे जाइए, रखो पीछे जाइए.
प्रसाद मिल गया, प्रसाद. जय जगन्नाथ. Oh, nice. Sweet prasadam, guys. It's a Kali Mandir, so I'll go check. We decided to take a boat ride in the Kali temple for 50 rupees. You can get this nice boat ride. So you can see the beautiful temple on one side and the river on the other. We came to the wrong temple, guys. Initially, this is the one, Katlapura temple. This is the right one. So there's this thing that you can buy bread here to feed the fishes. So let's get some bread and feed the fishes. Guys, we are feeding the fishies. अरे बहुत बारिश हो गई.
फिश आएंगे कि नहीं?
आएगा डालो.
आएगा.
हाँ आ गए. Put 2-3, no? Put 3-4 so that many fish will come. Woo! No one. Guys, where are we?
So we are at Babu Ki Kutia, a veg and a good restaurant in Bhopal.
So it's been established since 1964. So let's go and try it out. Hello guys, our thali has come. We have some nice raita, paneer, dal makhani, I think cauliflower, and of course gulab jamun, which I won't be sharing with Anna. I'll be having myself. And salad. So let's taste all of this together. Shall we attack Anna? Come on. Let's give review of Bapuji Kutia. Come on, please. Together we will try. I will go for the paneer. What is that? Cauliflower?
It's mixed veg.
Dal makhani looks actually very nice. And the rice. Sahih hai. Oh wow, the raita is yummy. Nice, huh? Okay everyone, that's it for the review. So when you come here, you can order the special thali and share with your girlfriend. Guys, sorry, our plate. Only one thing is remaining. Go for it, Anna. Have. आधा कर दो आधा. आधा. Gulab jamun, guys. My thing of going less on sugar is not working out.
Together.
Cheers. Nice. Could have been better.
Yes.
है ना? I have had better gulab jamun, but thali overall is very nice. अच्छा है. It's I think 225 rupees. हाँ, including tax 236. So decent. अच्छा है. Good news, guys. The problem got sorted. So I had messaged us. I had called Archanaka, and Archanaka had called the in charge over there, and he got it sorted out properly. And I got my money refund, and also he said the necessary actions are taken so that it won't happen to other people who come over there. So yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys that a lot of time when I try to fix something, it doesn't happen, but this time I think the scam was taken back, and I hope other people won't face the same scam. And look who's here. Undapan. This is ice cream. What ice cream? What ice cream are you having? Yes. How is the ice cream? Best.